You're welcome back. Now let's present the statement of financial position, just an extract. Okay, we have Wasiu Eniton Adiola, statement of financial position, extract. The first aspect is assets, but we don't have any information on assets in this question. So let's go straight to equity and liabilities. Okay, for equity, we have the capital account. And from the capital account we have prepared, Wasiu has a balance of 30,000, Eniton has a balance of 22,500, and Adiola has a balance of 17,500, which brings the total to 70,000. For the current account, Wasiu has a balance of 28,965 as credit balance. Eniton has 25,880. Adiola has 20,055. And that brings the total to 74,900. If we add the two accounts together, it gives us 144,900 as the total equity. This is the statement of financial position. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.